Hello everyone, good day to all. I welcome you all for today's online live classes. I am Pushpashri, faculty of Button But Tutorials. I'll be handling mathematics for Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS School entrance exam. So well my dear students, in the last session we had completed the chapter of profit and loss, and in today's session let us go on to the new chapter, and the new chapter that is percentage. So from today onwards we'll be dealing with a new chapter, percentage. And if you people have missed all the last chapters or few of the chapter that we have discussed already, please go through the description box and watch all those chapters videos. So fine, we'll just move on to today's session. The chapter is percentage. So then, what is percentage? In one or the another way, you people have come across the word percentage. But when? So especially during your results, or especially when the teachers are assigning some of the work for the students, and students have done that according to some of the percentages they will test, right? So then, what is percentage exactly? Percentage is nothing but where we are going to express that in the terms of 100. So 100 is one of the constant term which will be used for percentage. Percentage means for every 100. So where you are going to express the numerical term in the by the number 100. And percentage can be used or can be written by this symbol. So this is one of the symbol which we can use to represent the percentage. So we have percentage in fraction, we have percentage in decimals too. So when you are having that, how we are going to solve, that is the matter. So before going on to that, I'll just tell you what is percentage. You can have a look into that. So there are 4 people who are scoring 10, 10, 10 out of 4 in all the subjects. So totally there are 4 subjects. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, it is 40. So out of 40 marks, people have scored 40 itself. So then what is their percentage? 0, 0, 4 ones are 4 ones are. So their percentage is 100. If here one person has scored 0, then the percentage here will change, right? So this is what we are going to call it as percentage. Say for example, if they ask you to find the fractional, they'll give you 5%, and where you have to express the 5% in the fractional form. How will you express 5 divided by 100? Why only 100 you will take, ma'am? Why can't we take 10 or 1000? Because since there is a symbol of percentage, we must take 100 itself. So now 5 ones are 5 twos are 0. So 1 by 20. So now the percentage has expressed in the form of fraction. But when they give you the decimal numbers 0.3%, express this in fraction. How will you do? 0.3 divided by 100, the first format as it is you will write. And now you start removing the point. So when you remove the point, it will just become 3, and instead of 100 it will become 1000. Why 1000? Because after one point there is only one number, so here only 10 I'm gonna put, so it will become 3 by 1000. But here in some cases they will give you the fraction numbers. Say it is as 3 by 4, and you have to express 3 by 4 in the form of percentage. How will you express 3 by 4 into 100? You will do 2 twos are 2 fives are 0. Again 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 25 threes are 75. So it is 75%. So these are the basic things comes under your chapter, that is percentage. Easiest chapter once you people understand. So now we'll just go to this chapter theory part today. Okay. So with the theory part, let us solve 2 to 3 problems in today's session. Okay, have a look into it. Just keep the heading or keep the name of the chapter as percentage. Under that, take down the meaning of percentage. Meaning, under that, percentage means per 100 Percentage means per hundred, or for every 100, or for every 100. So this is your meaning. So apart from this, you have one more meaning. So that is the another meaning I am just writing here. The value which is considered for, the value which is considered for, the value which is considered for every 100 is termed as, every 100 is termed as, every 100 is termed as percentage, and the numerator of such fraction, and the numerator of such fraction, inside the brackets you can write, having denominator 100, having denominator 100. So what is denominator? The number which is written below the number, below the line, we are going to call that as denominator. So whenever the denominator comes under 100, we usually call that as a percentage in its fractional format. 100 is called as, continue, is called as the rate of percentage, is called as the rate of percentage, full stop and continue. It is represented by, next line, it is represented by, put the symbol percentage sign. Start writing the meaning now. So fine, hope you all completed the meaning of percentage. Let me go with the rules related to percentage. We'll just learn the rules now. Have a look into the rule now. Basic rules related to percentage. Basic rules related to percentage. So under that, the first one, percentage of fraction, percentage as fraction. So how will you express the percentage in the fractional format? They will give you 5%. You have to express that in the fractional format. You will write 5 divided by 100 because percentage representative 100. So when you further 5 ones are 5 twos are 0. So 1 by 20. So now you have expressed the percentage in the form of fraction. I'll go with the second one now. Have a look into that. That is whatever we have discussed, 0.3%, 0.3 by 100. When I express this in the fractional format, 3 by 1000. Okay. So if you want, you can just do it, 0.3. So ones are 100, ones are 100. So by removing the points, you can just do it. Okay. Next, fraction as percentage. That is second one, fraction as percentage. So here we have expressed the percentage of fraction, and here we'll be expressing the fraction as in the form of percentage. That is first one 3 by 4, which will be equal to 3 by 4 into 100. So now it is 75%. 4 ones are, you can go with 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 0, 2 ones are 2, 25. So, okay. In the next part, 0.4. How will you express 0.4? 0.4, this is fraction format, okay. So 0.4 into 100%. So which is equal to 40%. Take a note of this, make a note. So fine, hope you have copied this. So here in percentage we have nearly 3 formulas. Let us learn what are those 3 formulas, the easiest formulas only. Have a look into the formula part now. Important formula. Important formula. So here the first formula. Rate percentage is equal to result divided by original number into 100. So this is the one formula. And the second formula, increased percentage. To find the increased percentage, we make use of the formula, that is increment divided by original number into increment divided by original number into 100. This is the second formula. The third one, to find the decreased percentage, we have one more formula. To find the decreased percentage, that is decrement, that is decreased number divided by original number into 100. Divided by original number into 100. So make a note of these formulas. I'll explain you when doing the problem. So fine, hope you all copied the formula. Let me go with the problems now. One by one we'll just cover the problems. So this is chapter, okay. The first one. What is the percentage form of 0.4? What is the percentage form of 0.4? So where you have to express 0.4 in the percentage form. So let me go with the solution now. So 0.4 is equal to 0.4 into 100. So which is equal to 40%. That is 100 into 0.4 you will get 40. You can have a look. 100 into 0.4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 0 ones are 0, 0 1 zeros are 0, 0 ones are 0 itself, 0, 0, 4, 0. After one point there is a point. Put the point here. So now you have got 40. So this is how we have got 40. And let me do the second problem too along with this. Second one, what is the fraction form of? What is the fraction form of 22 1/2%? So here they have given some percent. You have to express that in the fractional format again. Since it is in the mixed fraction, let me convert that into proper fraction or normal fraction. 22 twos are, it is 44 plus 1 45/2, and I have to express that in the fractional format. 2 ones are 2 50s are. So 45 divided by 2 is So 45/2, the whole divided by 100. Since I have to express that in the fractional format. So when I have converted the mixed fraction into proper fraction, I had got 45 by 2, and where I have to express that in the form of percentage, so divided by 100 I had taken. So now it will become 45 by 2 divided by 100. Since I write it in a further simplified form, now it will become 45 by 2 into 100. So that is 1 by 100. Here if there is no 1, so when I convert into multiplication, 100 by 1 will become 1 by 100. So 45 ones are 45, 2 into 100, 200. And further, if I can simplify that. And when I simplify this, so here 45, so 2 tens are 0, and sorry, into I can't take, so let me go with a 5, 5 fours are 0, 5 nines are, and now I can go with 9 by 40, so 9 by 40, and now if I go for the further divisional part, so it will be like, so get me just a minute. So now 45 into 1, so 45, here I have got 200. So now this is 5 nines are, and here it is 40. So it is 9 by 40. Make a note of these two problems now. So fine, hope you all copied these two problems. Let me go with the next problem, the third problem. Have a look into the third problem now. The third problem is like this. Find 125% of 64. What they are telling, we have to find 125% or 125% of 64. That means in 64 we have to take up 125%, right? So 64, so it is 125% they have given. So here in before 125 we have a symbol of percentage, so that's the reason for 125 we are putting 100. So for 64 there is no symbol, so write as it is we are writing. So now 64, so now how will you divide this? So now this will go in the table of, so 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 1s are, so yes, 5 2s are 10 now, so 2 will be 5 5s are 25, so 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 4 1s are 4, 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24, so 16 5s are it is 8. Make a note of this. So fine, hope you all copied this. Let me go with the fourth problem now. Have a look into the fourth problem. They are telling if 23% of A is 46, comma, then find A. So what they are telling, in 23% of A, if it is 46, if it is equal to 46, what is the value of A? So let us remove the percentage. 23 by 100 into of is a symbol of multiplication. So into A divided by 46, and now I can take a cross multiplications, or I can write A is equal to 46 into 100, the cross multiplications. Okay, here nothing is there, it's 1 only, divided by 23. So now if I go, so 23 ones are, 23 twos are, it is 46. So now A is equal to 100 into 2, that will be equal to 200. So therefore the value of A is 200. Make a note.